Welcome from my tourism Pathshala. It will transform your dream into reality. Good morning, UGC-NET Tourism Administration and Management student. This is our question paper analysis series. In previous class, in my previous video, I have discussed the unit 1, 2 and 3 February 2023 question paper. Today we are going to discuss tourism transport and travel agency unit 4 and 5. The first question, why taxi cabs are yellow in color as introduced logically by John D. Hertz? The question number 6. The question paper is based on February 2023. Question number 6. The correct answer, yellow with the tint of red is very prominent color to see from a distance. So the important point we have to remember, that's yellow taxi cab founder John D. Hertz. The foundation time 1950. The origin of the company in Chicago, and color yellow, very prominent color, seen from a distance. Question number 7. TGV, the first superspeed link in the French rail network between Paris and Lyon, stand for. The train a Grand Vistas is a French term. TGV, it means the high speed train. The TGV first super speed link French railway network between Paris and Lyon, and introduced early 1980. These three important points, the related train TGV, train a Grand Betis TGV, the renowned international rail transport network. Next question number 13. Which of the following is not the airport code? Airport code is a 3-letter code used by IATA, International Air Transport Association, MCO Orlando, OGG Kahalu, and ORD Chicago. Both three are right. And Calgary is the airport code YYC, not YHX. So not is not the airport code. The 4 is the correct answer. So YYC Calgary airport code is correct, but YHX is the wrong. Next question number 14. Which airline began service in 1925 flying as a crop duster? Which airline began service in 1925 flying as a crop duster? First of all, we have to understand what we mean by crop duster. Crop duster's operation is a spraying crop with the crop protection product from an agricultural airport. What is the purpose? The main aim, crop duster's purpose, combat the boll weevil, the species of beetle, feeds on cotton, buds and flower. The specific spreading of fertilizer is also known as aerial top dressing in some countries. The crop duster's operation is a spraying crop with a crop protection product from an agricultural aircraft. Which airline began the service in 1925 flying as a crop duster? The correct answer is the Delta airline. And parallelly, we have to remember, we have to study the another airline, American Airline, Northwest Airline, United Airline. American Airline started in 1926. Northwest Airline is a famous airline, 1926, and United Airline also started in 1931. Question number 15. Which of the following is the correct conversion factors miles to kilometer? We have to remember 1 mile is equal to 1.609 kilometer. It is the correct answer. Plus answer 2. Next question. How many countries are member of Schengen area? How many countries are member of Schengen area? First of all, the 4 option. No option is the correct. The correct option is the 29 countries. Schengen area means open and semi-open border with other Schengen members of the country. Total 29 countries are involved under the Schengen area. Bulgaria and Romania, the newest member, have been joined on 31st March 2024, and two non-European members, Iceland and Norway, is a Nordic Passport Union. They are also involved in the Schengen area. Next question, question number 17. Which of the following is not a basic element but an operational add-in for its inclusive package 2? The three are the basic element of inclusive package 2: accommodation and destination, aircraft seat, and return transform from airport to accommodation. Only excursion. Excursion is not a basic element. So answer 4 is the correct. Next question, question number 18. The car rental industry dominated by Hertz, Avis, Budget and National in 1960s and 1970s is referred to as the Big Four. Option number 1 is the correct. You have to remember Hertz started in Chicago 1980, Avis 1946, Michigan, USA. Budget started 1958, headquarter Los Angeles, California, and National 1947, Missouri in USA. So these are the big four are dominated 1960s and 1970s. So question number 1, answer option number 1 is the correct. Next question, question number 19. Thomas Cook PLC and British global online offline travel company created in June 2007 was floated on the UK stock market by the merger of Thomas Cook AG and My Travel Group PLC. Thomas Cook AG and My Travel Group PLC. Their merger resulted in one of the world's largest leisure travel group, and option number 2 is the correct. Next question, question number 48. Which of the following are the railway station in the Trans-Siberian Railway between Moscow and Vladivostok? Trans-Siberian Railway Bill 1891 is additional information. We have to remember this additional information, the further question. And these are the preparation strategy. Not only question answer particular. Parallelly, we have to prepare the additional information which will very helpful for our compact preparation strategy. So we have to remember Trans-Siberian Railway Bill 1891 to 1960. It is one of the longest railway in the world, and total 5,771 miles, means 9,288 kilometers. It starts from Moscow to Vladivostok. Our question is based on the which of the following are the railway station in the Trans-Siberian? Novosibirsk, and Tinda. These two are the railway station, the Trans-Siberian Railway. So 3 and 4 is the correct. Next, important aircraft equipment code and airport. Question number 17, airport equipment code and aircraft name. So 733 is a Boeing 737-300. 737 B is the correct with the 3, Boeing 737. 73 M is the correct for the Boeing 737, and 73S is the correct Boeing 737-200. So option number 3 is the correct answer. Next question, question number 73, airline and features. This is the very important topic, airlines and their feature. American airline based in Dallas. American airline. Parallelly, we can remember the important origin of American airline based in Dallas. The third, 3 is the correct. First airline to establish a central training school for flight attendants. Second, World Airline based in New York, Trans World Airlines, origin main hub New York, and the correct option first domestic carrier to provide coast to coast passenger service. C. United Airlines based in Chicago. The correct option first airline to operate in all 50 states and serve over 200 cities worldwide. And D. US Air based in uh, Arlington, Virginia. The correct option formerly known as Allegheny Airline. So these are the very important topic based on international airlines. So option number 2 is the correct. Next question, question number 79. Arrange the following tourist attraction on the highway in Australia running from north to south in sequential order. In northern part, E. Alice Springs is the northern part of Australia, and extreme south, Victoria is the extreme south in Australia. So option number ED3, EDCBA, the correct sequence. Extreme north, Alice Springs, and extreme south, Victoria. So option number 3 is the correct. Next question, question number 80. Arrange the following freedom of the air. It is also known as the Chicago Convention, introduced by ICAO, International Civil Aviation Organization, and 1944, signed by 54 nations. Freedom of air or the Chicago Convention. So first, choose the correct answer from the option given below. Arrange the following freedom of the air as introduced by ICAO, the sequential order. The first, right of an airline to fly over the country without landing. The correct. Right of an airline to make a stop in another country to refuel or make repair. The second is correct. The D, A, B, next D. Right of an airline to fly passenger between two countries, neither of which is home country. 3. And finally, C. Right of an airline to fly within another country, not is the home country. So option number 4, A, B, D, C is the right. So these are our important question based on transportation system and travel agency. Unit 4 is the based on transportation system, and unit 5 is the based on the travel agency. And in unit 4 and unit 5, I have analysis the transportation area, main transportation area, airlines policy, open sky policy, international convention, airlines organization, IATA, ICAO, DGC, AI, GDS global distribution system in air transportation, types of air journey. You have to study MPN, TPN, extra mileage allowance, one-way journey, return trip, circular trip. This question, the question can come from this area. Different types of airfare, component of international air ticket, airline business of the world, distribution, sales, airline ticket, baggage and travel documents, and miscellaneous charges. So these are the important area of transportation system. Apart from transportation system, major railway transportation system in the world, British Railway, Eurorail, Amtrak, Trans-Siberian Railway. The question has come from Trans-Siberian Railway. Luxury train in the world. Next, road transportation system, Indian Railway Transportation System, InRail Pass, Special Scheme Package, Royal Orient, Ferry Queen. I analyze this syllabus. So this analysis is very important, very effective to preparation of our study for UGC-NET and JRF Tourism, Administration and Management. Apart from travel agency, you have to study passport, visa, currency, credit card, and major road network, North America, South America, Asia, South Asia, Australia, major road transport. So these are the process. At first, we have to analyze our syllabus, according to syllabus, we have to analyze the previous year question paper. So I think it is very effective. All of you should keep touch with this channel, and step by step I will discuss the another unit. So it would be very effective for your upcoming exam. Thank you for listening.